हाय, आज हम बात करेंगे मेनोपॉज के बाद ब्लीडिंग। माहवारी बंद होती है इंडियन विमेन की 45 to 50 इयर्स में। अगर एक साल तक माहवारी बंद हो जाए यानी कि मेनोपॉज आ जाए और उसके बाद ब्लीडिंग होए तो ऐसे में सिम्टम्स को लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहिए। जरूरी नहीं है कि ये कैंसर हो, कभी कभी कैंसर से पहले की स्थिति भी ऐसे प्रेजेंट करती है। कभी बच्चेदानी की लाइनिंग में पॉलिप्स हो जाते हैं तो भी ऐसे प्रेजेंट करता है। ऐसे में जरूरी है कि अच्छे से जांच होना और ठीक से सर्जरी, अगर इंडिकेटेड है तो सर्जरी होना। हमारे साथ आज एक बहुत अच्छा कपल मिसेस शोना एंड राम है एंड शी इज अ योगा टीचर एंड ही इज इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड एंड दे आर अ लवली कपल। इन लोगों ने अपनी समस्या को सावधानी बरती, डॉक्टर से चेकअप किया एंड दे अंडरवेंट अ लैप्रोस्कोपी सर्जरी। आजकल वो जमाना गया जब बड़े कट्स देके सर्जरी होती थी। हालांकि कई कैंसर्स में इंडिकेटेड है वो, बट जब तक अगर आप राइट कैंडिडेट है लैप्रोस्कोपी या रोबोटिक सर्जरी का तो उसका पालन, उसकी यूटिलाइजेशन आपके हाथ में है। So we will talk about Shona and her surgery, and it is about 10 days post her surgery. She's fit and fine and she is going to tell you how her experience was, and before that she will tell you what complaints she had before she decided to meet me.
Yes, Shona. Hello everyone, I am Shona. I am IT professional and I love to do yoga. I regularly practice yoga. Since last 2 to 3 years I was suffering from endometriosis. I was having post-menopausal bleeding. So every year or two I had to undergo DNC. And after a few months again that problem again used to start. So I was feeling very disturbed because it was disturbing my professional life as well as my yoga practice. So I am so lucky that I came across Dr. Divya. She walked into my life like a god. Yeah, I'm so
Absolutely.
blessed. Yeah, I'm so blessed that I met her. She explained, she saw all my reports and further suggested some tests, and on the basis of that she concluded that this laparoscopy hysterectomy must be done and this is the right time. So with her all the explanation I could take the decision so easily. And you know, after the surgery is done, it's been 10 days, and after the surgery, you know, many women from my family called me because they had undergone this procedure. They told me that it will be 6 months, you should not get up, you should not do this work, you should not take heavy lifting, should not be
जो
done.
बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं उन्होंने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया होता है वो कभी कभी वैसे ही गाइड करते हैं और जरूरी नहीं है कि वो आज की स्थिति में लागू हो। The times have changed, technology has changed.
Yes.
फिर
डॉक्टर दिव्या ने इतना पेशेंटली मुझे सारा एक्सप्लेन किया और पोस्ट सर्जरी कैसी लाइफ होगी. शी शोड मी हर प्रीवियस पेशेंट वीडियोस and I was so confident that I knew that I had to get it done through only Dr. Divya and no one else. Yeah, and I'm so blessed.
Absolutely.
It's been 10 days, and you know, after just on the second day of the surgery, I was walking like a normal person. And on third and fourth day, I started doing light yoga practices. I have been starting, and now I'm feeling so normal. Yeah, it's so normal that I have come back to my normal life, and
within a few days after the surgery. That
yeah.
is important. It
Yeah.
is not few weeks, few months. It is few days after the surgery.
Yeah.
You can practice yoga.
Yes.
आपसे पूछेंगे आप, इन्होंने इतना अच्छे से बताया. एज अ केयर गिवर आपके मन में क्या विचार थे और ये बताइए कि एक्सपीरियंस right after diagnosis.
First of all, Roxanne, thank you so very much. As she has mentioned, you walked into our life like a god. So the kind of guidance you gave, we were so skeptical because we met three, four professionals. सभी का कुछ अपना अपना कहना था, but किसी ने भी हमें वो confidence नहीं दिया. But the moment you sat with us, you studied all the reports, that step by step guidance which you gave, that was wonderful, and that made us clear about that this is what is the solution and this is the best solution. OT के बीच में भी आपका वो जो अपडेशन था, and immediately that really helped.
Just like I have benefited in and I'm well in so short period of time, I want each and every woman to get the same treatment, best treatment, and this is the person.
So मैं एक बात as a doctor perspective कहना चाहूंगी, the kind of love that we give to our patients, अगर वो प्यार हमें वापस मिलता है और डॉक्टर जो पेशेंट है हम पे ट्रस्ट करता है, सो इट इज द पेशेंट्स लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट एंड ट्रस्ट which enables us to do our best every day. That is called positive reinforcement. So thank you for watching.
Thank
and
you so
do
much,
not
Dr.
delay your
Thank you.
surgery.
Thank you so
Indicate.
much.
Thank you, doctor.